In this video, I'll give you a simple overview of how to make an SEO-optimized website in System.io. The first thing you want to do is connect your own custom domain. Using the default System.io subdomain might be quick, but if you're serious about ranking and building trust, a custom domain is a must. After that, set up clean URLs for each page. Keep them short, descriptive, and keyword focused, like /services or /contact, instead of random numbers or long strings. Next, go into your page settings and add a proper SEO title and meta description. This is what shows up on Google search results, so use your main keyword naturally and write something that makes people click. On your page itself, structure your headings correctly. Use one H1 per page for the main topic, and then H2 or H3 headings for subtopics. For any images you add, always include alt text. It helps search engines understand what the image is about and gives you another chance to use relevant keywords. System.io sites are usually fast, but you should still compress your images and test a mobile view since most visitors will come from phones. Finally, connect your site with Google Search Console to monitor performance and find ways to improve. That's the foundation of SEO in System.io. Subscribe,